It's a chemical that exhibits something called chemiluminescence, and when it reacts, it can release light. To make this happen, I just have to add water to a beaker and a decent amount of sodium carbonate. Then I can add the luminol, which can dissolve in this solution. I also need to add some sodium bicarbonate, and this solution is basically ready. Now, I just need to make an iron solution by mixing together 3% hydrogen peroxide and something called potassium ferrocyanide. To make the luminol glow, I just have to mix these two solutions together.